video, I'll be showing you guys how I installed this wig as a beginner. This is a 13x4 transparent lace 26-inch body wave Auburn wig from Megalook hair. I did bleach and pluck the wig off camera. I used 1 pack of the color Oops and 30 volume developer. And for plucking, I kind of just followed a tutorial I found on TikTok because I'm not a wig girly. I'm more of a quick wig girly. That is also why I didn't braid down my hair. I just slicked it back because I'm not going to have it on long. But for my cap, I did love this HD cap that they gave me. But yeah, I'm just going to go in with this spray to glue down my cap. I've only installed 3 wigs, but from those 3 wigs, I learned that I should cut my wig cap in the lace using the Eyebrow Archer instead of scissors because it just helps it blend better into the skin. Also, as you guys see, I have like the thick piece of the wig cap like on my mouth area because I'm not going to cut that part off. I'm actually just going to pull it back. That way my wig cap is snug. Once you cut the wig cap and add it on your makeup to the cap, you're going to just clean your skin off with alcohol or witch hazel. I'm sorry for this weird angle, y'all. I gotta get me a mini tripod for when I record videos in my room. And don't mind that picture in the back. I gotta give me some command strips because y'all know this my dorm. But anyways, for the glue, I used the black Ebin glue. I've heard so many mixed reviews about this glue, but it wasn't that bad to me. Once it got tacky and clear, I did use 1 layer of the black Ebin spray on top of the glue. And then let that dry for like 3 seconds, and then I put my wig on. And I'm going to let that band sit for an hour. And while my band is sitting, I'm going to just flatten the hair and take it section by section so that my middle part is really flat. And shout out to Kane because she's the one who said, leave that band off for an hour. If you know, you know. After going in with my wax stick and my Hotcomb section by section, now it's time to take off the band and cut the lace. I'm just going in with my Eyebrow Archer and cutting off that lace in a downwards motion. Also, if you're cutting a little bit of the hairline, like some of the hair, that's totally fine because where you laid the glue is where you want your hairline to be. So that part of the lace isn't really needed. See, it's a little bit of ashiness, so we need to melt that lace a little bit more. So I'm going to go in with some more of my black Ebin spray and just kind of tap that on. You don't want too much, that's why I'm using my finger. I'm going to blow dry that spray, and you want to make sure that it's not tacky. It should be dry because it can cause your lace to lift if you put that band on while the spray is still tacky. I left my band on for about 10 minutes, just how long it took me to layer the hair for curls. taking that band off, I did add a little bit of makeup to my hairline. A lot of people like the Ruby Kisses cream foundation, but my cream foundation is a little too light because that was my shade for the winter. So I had mixed the Ruby Kisses cream foundation and a little bit of liquid foundation. So I'm just going to pull out the baby hairs that I want. I do recommend to look at a picture while you're doing this just to envision how you want your baby hairs to look. Also, after applying the makeup, I went in with a little bit of Fantasia spritz on my lace just to fully melt it. And I blow dried the spritz for about 3 seconds, then put my band on. And I just left my band on for however long it took me to curl, so maybe about 20 minutes. And now let's get into curling. A lot of you guys on my previous videos asked how do I curl on myself, so I hope this helps. But just remember, always go away from your face, and honestly, this may be comfortable for you how I'm holding my arm, but you really have to figure out which way is comfortable for you and your arm. But just always remember, curl away from your face. These baby hairs kind of gave me a hard time. One of them I cut a little too short. The other one was, I don't know, but the problem really came into when I was trying to lay them. I didn't really know what product I wanted to use to lay my baby hairs because I wanted a fluffy look. For one of the edges, I had used the Fantasia spritz, and that wasn't a good idea. I feel like it kind of made my lace not blend as good. So then I used the black Ebin spray, and I liked how it turned out. Now it's time for my favorite part of any install, the comb out of the curls. Like this wig from Megalook. It was perfect for a beginner. It didn't take very long to pluck the hair. The knots weren't very thick, so it bleached pretty quickly. The hair was really soft and it held a curl really nicely. This is the finished product. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Honestly, I surprised myself with how good it turned out. Also, in the comments, let me know any tips or tricks you guys have learned from wigs. Like and comment on this video and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you guys want to see next time.